Hi, Salesforce is a great platform to grow your business and to put your customer success first. While data is an asset which helps you to analyze, research, and plan new business opportunities, huge data storage can be expensive in Salesforce. Have you wondered if you could have a solution that allows you to archive large amount of data within Salesforce effortlessly? Yes, you heard us right. You can now archive huge data with DataArchiva. After a thorough research and deep diving into customers' issues, we came up with DataArchiva, a first of its kind solution. With DataArchiva, you can now archive and restore data anytime and also save data storage cost, which is huge money. DataArchiva is a complete, affordable native application to archive unused or less used Salesforce data effortlessly. Secure your data inside Salesforce platform and allow any team to search any data anytime. The best thing about DataArchiva is that it requires zero or low maintenance. It needs no external storage or infrastructure. You've got improved application performance. It's easy to plug and play in less than 10 minutes. It has easy setup and configuration process. DataArchiva works with custom objects and applications too. You can now easily set up DataArchiva within few minutes and start archiving all your data without any external storage or infrastructure. If data storage costs are a concern, then try DataArchiva today. DataArchiva is always available for you in AppExchange. So stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching.